Good morning traders and welcome to NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. Today we will be analyzing a variety of instruments on different asset classes. Our first instrument is the Nasdaq index. The Nasdaq index has been continuing and making new highs since the correction in early 2018. It has also been trading in an uptrend trading channel supported by the 100 MA and 200 moving average. At the moment, Nasdaq is trading at the 7,460 price area. We can also observe a negative divergence on volume. We're expecting Nasdaq to make a new high and reach approximately the 7,700 price area, where we will observe a correction to the downside, approximately to the 7,000 psychological support, which would also indicate a third touch on the uptrend trend line. Our second instrument is the Burberry stock. The Burberry stock has been trading around the 2,180 price area since June. It has been finding difficulty in breaking this area and has been acting as a strong resistance. Lately, we can observe a correction to the downside and sudden upward movement with a gap. We're expecting the Burberry stock to break above this resistance level and reach the 2,258 price area, which is also equivalent to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension level. We might also observe further upward movement to approximately the 2,380, which is the 261.8. This movement can also be supported with the breakout oscillator, the stochastic, which has been trading steadily above the 80 price level. Our third instrument is oil. As we can observe on the 4-hour oil price chart, we can see a top being formed at the 74 price area. Since then, oil has been corrected to the downside and is currently formed a failure swing. Once the area of the 66 has been broken, we're expecting the failure swing to be completed and further downward movement is possible to approximately the 63 price area. We can also observe a Bollinger Band squeeze, which might indicate a decrease in volatility. So the failure swing might take another several days in order to be completed. Our fourth instrument is the Ethereum cryptocurrency. As we can observe in all cryptocurrencies, we can see sudden downward movement and a fall of approximately 10 to 15% in price. Ethereum has dropped also and made the bottom at the 360 price area. Since then, it has been trading steadily and trying to make new lows. We're expecting Ethereum to correct slightly to the 380 price area, where it will find resistance on the Ichimoku cloud, which is also equivalent to approximately the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Once Ethereum reaches this area, a pullback to the downside with possibly new lows is expected. Our fifth and last instrument is the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. As we can observe on the dollar CAD, we can clearly observe a downward trading channel and currently has been broken to the upside. We believe the break to the upside is limited and will most probably reach the 1.31 psychological resistance level. This area would most probably act as a strong resistance, and we will observe a correction back to the downside to approximately the 130.20. Thank you for watching NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. We wish you successful and responsible trading.